Toothpaste is an essential oral hygiene product made from a careful blend of chemical and mild abrasive ingredients. When brushed onto the teeth, it helps remove plaque, prevent cavities, and leave the mouth feeling fresh. Every year, billions of tubes of toothpaste are produced around the world. Behind this everyday product is a precise manufacturing process that relies on accurately measured ingredients mixed until they form the smooth, refreshing paste we use daily. In this episode, we'll step inside factories that produce some of the world's most popular toothpaste brands. We'll explore how toothpaste is made from start to finish and reveal the fascinating process behind those familiar colored stripes inside the tube. Stay with me until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Dental care has been important to humans for thousands of years. As early as 3000 BC, people cleaned their teeth using water mixed with eggshell ashes, stone powder, pumice, and myrrh. The Greeks and Romans later refined these mixtures by adding calcium derived from crushed bones. Around 600 AD, Arab cultures introduced the use of miswak, a small branch from the Persian savior tree that naturally cleaned teeth and fought bacteria. This traditional method is still used in some parts of the world today. During the 16th to 19th centuries in Europe, tooth cleaning powders became common. These were typically made from chalk, charcoal, salt, and sodium bicarbonate, and were applied using fingers or simple brushes. It wasn't until the late 19th century that these powders evolved into pastes, mixed with soap and glycerin to improve texture and usability. In 1873, Colgate introduced the first mass-produced toothpaste, sold in glass jars. While effective, this packaging was expensive and inconvenient. A major breakthrough came in the 1990s when toothpaste began to be sold in tubes inspired by the oil paint tubes used by artists. This innovation reduced costs and made toothpaste easier to distribute worldwide. By 1910, soap was replaced with gentler detergents like sodium lauryl sulfate, which is still used today to create foam. Around the same time, fluoride began to be added to toothpaste, though it only gained widespread acceptance after the 1950s, when studies confirmed its effectiveness in preventing cavities. Today, toothpaste is a highly advanced product manufactured under strict quality controls and health standards. While it may seem simple, toothpaste production involves precise science and carefully selected ingredients. Mild abrasives, such as calcium carbonate or hydrated silica, clean the teeth by removing plaque, food particles, and surface stains. Fluoride strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent decay. Water acts as a solvent, allowing all ingredients to blend smoothly. Detergents help create foam and spread the paste evenly across the teeth. Humectants like glycerin keep the toothpaste moist and creamy, while flavorings such as mint or peppermint provide a pleasant taste and fresh sensation. Thickeners and preservatives ensure the toothpaste has the right consistency and remains safe from bacterial or fungal growth. For colored toothpastes, natural or artificial food colorings are also added. The manufacturing process begins in large factories like this one, capable of producing up to 1 million tubes per day. Liquid ingredients, such as glycerin, sorbitol, and purified water, arrive in tanker trucks and are pumped into large storage silos. Solid components, including abrasives, fluoride, and detergents, are delivered separately. Every ingredient is precisely weighed to guarantee that each batch matches the exact formula. This is handled by a centralized computerized system that ensures accuracy and consistency. Once measured, the ingredients are either manually added or automatically transferred into large mixing tanks called vacuum mixers. The process begins with purified water, followed by humectants, thickeners, and stabilizers. Abrasives, fluoride, and detergents are added last. From here, the toothpaste begins to take on the smooth texture and cleaning power we recognize today.
In the final stage of mixing, flavorings, colorants, and other active ingredients are added to the formula. The system blends everything under vacuum and carefully controlled agitation, preventing air from entering the mixture and ensuring a perfectly uniform texture. At this point, colorants that give the toothpaste its characteristic shades are introduced. Throughout the mixing process, and again once it is complete, samples of the paste are collected and sent to on-site laboratories. There, technicians analyze critical parameters such as pH level, viscosity, fluoride concentration, color, aroma, and overall texture. Only after the toothpaste meets all quality and safety standards is it approved to move on to the next phase. The finished paste, now with its desired consistency and coloration, is transferred into pressurized storage tanks, which may be either fixed or mobile. When mobile tanks are used, they are positioned next to the production line, and an intricate network of stainless steel pipes carries the paste directly to the filling machines. To meet the massive global demand, these production lines operate continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Empty toothpaste tubes, made of laminated plastic or aluminum, arrive at the filling area with their branding already printed and their bottoms completely open. Delivered in trays or via automated feeders, the tubes are placed vertically with the cap facing downward. Robotic arms or vacuum systems position each tube onto a rotating platform within the machine. Optical sensors detect the orientation of each tube, automatically rotating and aligning it so the sealing seam is perfectly positioned. This step ensures that the logo and text always appear correctly on the finished product. A high-precision dosing nozzle then fills each tube with the exact amount of toothpaste, commonly 70, 90, or 120 grams. At full speed, the system can fill up to 300 tubes per minute. For striped or multicolored toothpastes, each color travels through separate pipelines and only comes together at the tip of the dosing nozzle. There are no internal dividers or physical barriers inside the tube. The stripes remain distinct because of the toothpaste's carefully controlled density and viscosity, which prevent the colors from mixing. Once filled, the bottom of each tube is heated with a jet of hot air reaching approximately 300 degrees Celsius. This softens the material, allowing sealing jaws to press and weld the tube shut. During this process, the expiration date is stamped directly onto the seal. Cameras and sensors then inspect every tube, checking for defects, sealing errors, or incorrect fill volumes. Approved tubes move along conveyor belts to the packaging area, where they are grouped and placed into cardboard boxes for distribution. Toothpaste cleans the teeth through two main mechanisms. The first is chemical. Active ingredients react with bacteria on the teeth, tongue, and gums, breaking down harmful compounds and helping protect the mouth. The second is mechanical. Tiny abrasive particles gently scrub the tooth surface, removing stains, plaque, and debris through friction. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you never miss new content. Leave a comment telling us where you're watching from and what you thought of today's episode. Thank you for staying with me until the end. If you'd like to keep learning, click on one of the recommended videos appearing on your screen. May God bless you and your home, and may you always be well.